Are you looking for a way to buy airtime pins for your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy your mobile airtime pins for your business using just your mobile phone. I'm going to take you to my screen where I'll show you this process in less than 7 minutes.
So guys, you're right here on my screen, and the first thing that you need to do is to install your application on the Google Play Store. And to do that, you need to click on the app link on the comment section or on the video description. But if you can't find it, you can also check the about page and you get the link provided for you over here. So right now I am on the about page, and you can click on the app link, and as you can see, you'll be redirected to the application on Play Store. But if you do not have an Android phone, you can also click on the website over here. As you can see, the link is over here. If you click that, you will be directed to our website where you can get the same services provided for you on your mobile phone. And if you are an iPhone user or a desktop user, then this website is for you. So for now, I'm going to go to Play Store, and as you can see, I have installed my application, and I'm just going to click on open over here, and I'm going to sign in over here. But before that, if you are a new user, you will click on register now over here. So once you click on the register button, a page is going to open where it will ask you to input your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and create a password for yourself. And if someone referred you, you can input their referral code over here, and then you click on register. So note that you provide all the correct information for your application because you'll be asked to verify your details. So I already have an account, and I'm going to log in into my recharge app account right now. So guys, we're right here on my dashboard, and the first thing that you need to do is to go through the application and check out the services and the features that are offered here on the recharge app platform. So the next thing you need to do is to get accustomed to the application, and to do that, we have provided contents and blog posts for you to learn more about the recharge app. To locate the contents, you just need to click on the menu over here. Once you click on it, you will see a menu that will pop up. Then you scroll down to the bottom of it, and then you will see the our blog and guide page over here. So I'm going to click on it, and you can see here are content and articles that will teach you more about our services and our products. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can buy recharge card pins on the recharge app platform. Now, the first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. To fund your wallet, you need to click on the green button over here. Once you click on it, you are going to be shown an automatic funding account where you need to deposit your funds to. So once you deposit your funds to this account, your funds is going to automatically reflect on your wallet. So after you have funded your wallet, you are going to need to click on the view all over here, and then you locate the buy recharge card pins and data pins. So I'm going to click on this. In recharge app, we don't only sell recharge card pins, we also sell data pins, meaning that you can buy data in pins just like recharge card. You get? So for now, we're going to focus on the recharge card pins, or to buy recharge cards with recharge app. So first thing, you're going to click on the recharge card here. You are going to see a page that's going to pop up. So right now, you're going to be asked to select the network and the credits you want and the quantity you want to buy. So right now, I'm going to select MTN, and I'm going to choose 100 naira credits. You can see the 100, 200, and 500 naira credits. So we're going to choose 100 naira credits, and we're going to buy one for now. and I'm going to input my transaction pin. Then I'm going to click on this button that says print pins, and a notification is going to pop up that's asking me if I'm sure I want to purchase this recharge card pins, and I'll say okay. So as you can see, the transaction is successful, and I'm going to click on OK over here. So here is my pins, and I'm going to click on it. So as you can see now, my pins was delivered to me, and the reason why this pops up is because I only bought one pin. You understand? I only bought one pin. If I bought more pin, it's going to give me a link to view my pins. I'm going to copy this over here, or I'm going to click here, which is copy pin. You get, and it's going to tell me that pin is copied. I'll go to my phone, and then I'll paste it. I'm going to put star 311 hash or star. So I'm going to put the star 311 star and then the hash, and I'm going to send it to my MTN. So it tells me MM1 complete. Okay. And I just got a message that my recharge is successful. Can you see that? My recharge is successful. So I'm going to show you how you can buy multiple pins. So if you want to buy like 10 pins, 20 pins, 50 pins, 100 pins, you can buy as much as that. So the first thing you need to do is to select the amount you want to buy for the credits, and then put the quantity of that amount which you want to buy. Like I've selected 100 naira credits over here, and right now I want to buy 5. They showed me the amount I'll have to pay for it, and I'm going to put my pin over here. I'm going to click on print pins, and they will ask me, are you sure you want to buy this recharge card pins? I'll click on OK. You can see it's successful. So I'm going to click on OK over here, and if I click on the pins I just bought, you see on the first one I got the pins immediately. Why? Because it was just one pin. But if I want to buy more pins, like 100 pins, 200 pins, 300 pins, you never know, 20 pins, you get a link. So you can view all your pins on a page. So that's why you're giving a link. Then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to my browser over here, and I'm going to paste the link over here, and I'll send. So as you can see, here are the pins I just bought. You get, with the serial number and then the pin, the amount, the logo of MTN, and my business name. If you don't want your name to be, if you don't want your business name to be your name, you can input your business name. It could be Emi Globals. Now, what you need to do is you can download these pins by clicking on this button over here, and then you can view it as a PDF on your phone. Can you see it? You can view it as a PDF on your phone. It will look like an A4 document. You get? So if you have downloaded the pins, you can save it, and then you can take it to your cyber cafe, or maybe your printer if you have one at home, or if you have one in your business. You can print these pins, and then you can sell these pins out to your customers. If you got value in this video, just leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll be posting another video that will show you how you can use your own printer, or get a printer that will do this for you at home. So to learn more about Recharge app, you can just click the video that you're seeing on your screen, which will teach you everything you need to know about the platform.